Hi, what's good? Welcome to this video. I'm, as you can tell, really excited. I received this in the mail the other day to do a review on. This is the new product that has been launched by SWATI, and inside this amazing package is their brand new adhesive eyeliners. This is the VANTA adhesive eyeliner, and this is in black, and 6 mink lashes. I'm so excited. I'm currently wearing this pair here. This is the Tanzanite lashes, and these are amazing. I'm in love with them and so easy to apply using the adhesive eyeliner. Now, as always, I'm going to do a in-depth review of this product. I want to make sure it is definitely worth your while and mine and really put it to the test so I can see what it can really do. Now, if you're anything like me, I feel like I always say this, but if you're anything like me, I am not the best at applying fake lashes when it comes to glue and things. I could never figure out how much to put on, how long to leave it to dry. I always felt like the corners always came off and I didn't trust how long it would last. Like, I wasn't confident in my skill set to apply them and ensure that I could go out without looking like they were like squaring off and coming out straight, and I just could never get it right. For me, this is the best solution when it comes to false lashes in my opinion, because you can use it as just an eyeliner, so it's double purpose. Use it as a normal eyeliner, or you can use any of your false lashes with this, so it's just like a glue. You can, it's not limiting you to just magnetic lashes or anything like that. So adhesive eyeliner is a game changer for me. What I also love about this is the tip of it is very sturdy. So here you can see like it draws on really nice and precise. So apart from the fact that adhesive eyeliner obviously is a lot more versatile, nice and easy to carry around with you, so if you did miss or needed to touch up, super easy pen to use. Now, it is completely waterproof as well, so I'm going to test this by applying some lashes to this and running this underwater.
Really impressed by this. The lashes didn't want to budge, and neither did the eyeliner.
So yep, totally waterproof, but it does wash off if you want it to.
I wanted to show you how confident you can be with the VANTA eyeliner. Once you've stuck your lashes on, they're not going to go anywhere unless you want them to.
So far so good. I'm on 10 hours wear with these lashes, and they haven't moved even slightly. It claims to last 12 hours, and I would 100% tell you it's going to last longer than 12 hours. I haven't had to touch these. They still feel really strong on the eyes, and I don't even notice them. Super comfortable, and I've had compliments on these today and I'm stoked. Like, I just love this, and these are brilliant for during the day. I feel like they're not really in your face, they're just a nice flattering eyelash. So again, this one here is the Tanzanite, so in love, really like these. I'm gonna go ahead and try the other pairs for you though. So the last pair of lashes is called Titanium, and they are the thickest lashes out of the lot. So I'm going to thicken up the line to give it a more dramatic look. These are absolutely stunning. I would say with the thicker ones, they just take a little bit more time to figure out how even they are, just because they're a little bit more obvious, but I'm so happy with these lashes. I'm stunned.
Also wanted to show what the band looks like after you've used the VANTA adhesive eyeliner. Compared to a normal glue, you can see that it's not clumpy. There won't be a lot of maintenance with these lashes, so that is another plus to the adhesive eyeliner.
Anyway guys, that is the end of this review. I am super impressed. 100% recommend. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. In the description, I will leave the links and the names of all those lashes. And the adhesive eyeliner that you want to get your hands on, which just changed my lash game, and I'm so grateful that I can get back on the lash train, is the VANTA adhesive eyeliner, and mine's in black. So grateful. Thank you, SWATI. I'm amazed. I'm so happy. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.